Hi everyone, today we will learn how to make this prayer mat. For that I am using 3 mm hook and 4 ply yarn. First I will make one slip knot, then I will make 15 chains like this, or you can increase the number of chains also. Now I have made the 15 chains. Now I will make 2 extra chains. Now I will make one double crochet in the 15th chain. Next one more double crochet in the next chain. In next chain one more double crochet. In next chain one more double crochet. Like that we will complete the row with the double crochet. Next, this is the 15th double crochet. In end of the row I will make one chain, in the end of the row I will make one chain, turn the work, make one double crochet in the same space. In next stitch make one double crochet. Like that make the double crochet entire row. Here I am showing you step by step how to make this prayer rug or prayer mat. Entire row make the double crochet in every stitch. This is the last stitch. Here I am making the one double crochet, make chain 1, turn the work, next make one double crochet in the same space. Next make one double crochet. Like that complete the row. Increase the length as much as you required. You can make the 5 rows, 6, 7, 8, how much length you want. Here I have made 7 rows of double crochet. This is the 7th row. This is the last double crochet. Make chain 1 and cut the extra yarn. Here I want this length, this size mat, so I have made the 7 rows of double crochet. Next we will make the white inner border. For that I am using the stitch marker to make the mark. I am leaving the 3 stitches at the end of the both side rows, like that. This is the beginner tutorial, so I am using the stitch marker to mark the white border edges. This is the I am making here center point. To mark that I am using the stitch marker. Next we will make this white inner border. For that I am using the white yarn and 2.5 mm hook. Here we will make the simple chain stitch like this. Slowly watch the video. This is the one method to make this inner border. Another method is with the help of needle also we can make this inner border. Don't skip the video, watch carefully. Like that, go on making the chain stitch. Like that. Once you complete the white inner border, next we will make the tassels. Now make the tassels as required as a mat, according to the length of the mat. You can make small tassels or this length tassels also. Cut them in an equal portion. Take one tassels and add them as shown in the video. You can add the tassels continuously in each stitch, or else you can skip the stitches and add one after the one, or skip 2 chains or 1 chains. Watch the video carefully and don't skip it. Please like, share the video. Like that, go on adding the tassels. It's very and simple prayer mat. Now I have finished the adding tassels process on both sides. Now I will cut the extra yarn with the help of scale. I will cut them equal like this. After that, I will add the keychain. Secure it with the help of now our prayer mat keychain is ready. We can use this prayer mat as a bookmark also, like this. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and give me suggestions and share this video. Thanks for watching.